Describing a picture. So, we have been discussing the topic describing a picture and have learned different points that will help to describe a picture in a more effective way. That is, in general, you can use all these points to describe something. Now, let's have a quick look at what these points are. First point is to summarize what you see, which also means to give a general description of what is given in the picture or what you can see in the picture. The second point is to talk about where things are or the positioning of things. The third point will be to add more details to your description, that is, focusing on more important details or the most important points. After that, the next point that comes up is speculating about the picture, that is, to add your thoughts or the possibilities about the picture, that is, what could happen or what could be the reason for the things that look or happen in the picture. Now, for today, we will be learning to add all these points and hence make a longer answer. So, in short, we will be describing a picture, and to describe it, we will be focusing on all these points. That is, to give a summary of what you see, to talk about where things are in the picture, to add details, that is the most important points, speculate about what's in the picture, or maybe you can also speculate about the context of the picture. Okay. Now, this is a photo that you all are familiar with. Now, how can we make a longer answer? By including all these points in your description. Let's look at an example. Okay, so this is a picture, and now let's look at the longer answer. The picture shows umbrellas hanging in the air. In the foreground, we can see a street light, and the umbrellas fill the picture from left to right. The umbrellas are of many different colors, mostly bright colors like pink, yellow, or green. They are hanging from wires. I can see at least 4 lines of umbrellas hanging down in this way, but there could be even more. Maybe this is some sort of art project. It might also be a festival or tradition that people decorate the street with colorful umbrellas like this. I suppose the picture was taken in a city or town, though I can't tell where exactly. Perhaps the photographer was a tourist and was just walking around the city when he saw this amazing and strange scene. Now, this is a description of this picture, including all these points. Now, let's look at another example. Now, this is a picture you all are familiar with. You have been dealing with this picture for your whole description. That is, you have used this picture for your description while focusing on all the points we have learned so far. Now let's look at the example where we add all the points together to get a longer answer. In the picture, there are two people sitting at a table looking unhappy. There's a woman on the left and a man on the right. In the middle of the picture, we can see some things on the table like cups of tea, biscuits, milk, and so on. The two people look sad or irritated and they aren't speaking to each other. They are both looking down at the table. I suppose they had a fight and now they aren't talking to each other. Or they might just be bored and not have anything to talk about. I guess it's a stock photo because otherwise, why would the photographer be in the kitchen with them? So, these are two examples where we describe the picture using all these points.